The next topic, asking for and confirming information. This is one of the great opportunities that I see that we have if we become really consistent with this. And the way I frame this is critical to getting people to do it, because we all know they want to give the information to the attorney. For some reason, they don't see us as an extension of the attorney. So you want to say something along the lines of, in order for us to give you the best possible service, we need some additional information. If you say that we need it to give them the best possible service, if you preface it with that, you'll have better outcomes. You can say, in order to speed things up with the attorney, I have been instructed to find out a few things. This is to ensure you get the best possible outcome. When you mention the fact that we're trying to do it for their benefit to get a better outcome, that there's instructions that you've been given by the attorney, these all help to encourage the client to tell you that which they're going to want to tell the attorney. And given the fact that we're dependent upon you all to notate information real time, to give it to you is more effective. To give it to the attorney and then it's not in Clio, is actually hurting the client, not helping the client. And those are the sort of things that we're attempting to get them to understand. Another way of saying this is, do you mind confirming the information that we have? We want to be sure that we have everything we need. And then you ask them to confirm email, phone, address, billing. This could also include things like who is it that has permission to, in fact, speak to them about their case. That frequently is an issue. And then this last one, and I put it last, but it's really something we want to do a lot of, deals with the ability to do text messaging. And so this would go along the lines of, we want to communicate with you as quickly and effectively or efficiently as possible. We now have the ability to text you status updates or text your status updates. Do we have permission to primarily use text for communication? And then please confirm your number. Okay. This stuff will work. If we get consistent with this, the number of calls that we get will be reduced. Okay, so this is one about increasing client confidence. Now, this is kind of an interesting one. Let me go ahead and read it and then we can talk about it. You say something along the lines of, thank you for explaining the situation. May I review a couple of things to make sure I have them correct? And so you're literally going to wait for them to say, sure, yes. And then you want to kind of go over those details and make sure that you got it accurate. This increases the client's sense that you are actually on top of what it is that they need to know.